Hey, I'm Mitchell and welcome to another video in the RSP Education series. Imagine your robotic arm jitters when placing a microchip, or your CNC mill leaves ripples on a precision machined surface. The culprit? Not poor programming, not sloppy hardware, it's torque ripple. And that often is the silent saboteur of motion control. Whether you're using stepper motors or brushless DC drives, torque ripple can quietly degrade your performance, your profits, and your precision. Let's break down what causes it and how to fight back. If you like this kind of content and want more educational videos, like and subscribe. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Consult a professional for your application, since RSP Supply is not liable for any misuse of this information. With that said, let's get into it. So what's a stepper motor? A stepper motor is a type of electric motor that doesn't spin freely. It moves in small, precise steps. Think of it like a clock's second hand ticking forward instead of sweeping smoothly. Each time the motor gets an electrical pulse, it rotates a fixed amount, usually 1.8 degrees per step, so 200 steps would equal one full turn. These are used in automation when precise, repeatable movement is required. For example, when moving a robotic arm to a specific location, when feeding labels onto a product at the exact spot, and lifting an object to an exact height. Stepper motors are great for this because they're cheap and simple to control. No need for position sensors in many cases. They're predictable. You know exactly how far they're going to move based on step count. They can hold position also without moving, which is very useful for things like holding open a valve. So how torque ripple happens in step motors is that each step generates torque at a slightly different magnitude. Between steps, torque drops slightly. This creates a pulsed, non-uniform torque profile. Classic torque ripple. Ultimately, though, torque ripple is detrimental because it causes vibrations in precise machinery like CNC mills or laser cutters, and it causes reduced accuracy in low-speed applications like slow-speed linear stages. Noise and resonance that can damage mechanical components is also involved. So what are some ways to minimize ripple? Microstepping. So instead of jumping from one full step to the next, microstepping breaks steps into smaller increments using sine-cosine currents. This smooths torque delivery. Also through damped stepper drivers. Some advanced drivers actively reduce vibration and resonance using internal algorithms. Then you also have closed-loop feedback, known as sometimes a hybrid stepper. It adds an encoder to provide position feedback, and this reduces errors and smooths torque out. So now let's talk BLDC motors, brushless DC motors, and PMSMs, permanent magnet synchronous motors, and how torque ripple affects them. Brushless motors rotate using a magnetic field generated electronically. No brushes means less maintenance and smoother operation, but torque ripple still exists. So let's talk about how torque ripple happens with this kind of motor. Mainly due to cogging torque, and that's the interaction between rotor magnets and stator teeth. Torque ripple also comes from non-ideal commutation. And commutation is how we switch current between motor phases. The ripple is going to cause speed fluctuations at low RPMs. This affects conveyor belt control, label printers, or high-precision robotic end effectors. In applications like robotic arms, even tiny torque vibrations, they're going to create oscillations or misalignment. So how we minimize ripple, there's a few ways. One is field-oriented control, or FOC. And this is an advanced technique that aligns current with rotor field. This gives smoother torque. High-resolution encoders. These provide real-time feedback so the controller can adjust phase current more accurately. Sine wave commutation. This uses smooth sinusoidal current instead of blocky trapezoidal signals for motor control. Skewed stator slots or rotor magnets. This is a mechanical design tweak to reduce magnetic snapping effect. In a factory, precision equals profit, downtime equals money lost, and component wear equals maintenance headaches. Torque ripple, it affects all three. Applications where ripple hurts. Robotics. Smooth joints are critical for pick and place or welding. Packaging lines, speed and consistencies throw off label applications or sorting. Machine tools. Ripple shows up as ripples in the surface finish of machined parts. Inspection and vision systems. Slight vibration messes with image quality. Torque ripple isn't just an academic concept, it's a real-world headache for anyone that's dealing with precise motion. From stepper motors clicking through uneven steps to brushless motors battling cogging torque, ripple introduces vibration, inaccuracy, and wear. But with the right strategies, microstepping, FOC, feedback loops, or even clever mechanical tweaks, you can take control of your torque and reclaim smooth, efficient motion. Because in the world of automation, precision pays and ripple costs. For hundreds of thousands of other industrial automation products, go to our website. That's rspsupply.com, the internet's top source for industrial hardware.